So hey nerds, this is Suman and this is going to be another video of our calculus journey where we were going to do the 100 integral problems, and this would cover your might cover your class 11th and 12th whole syllabus, right? So if you're any student and if you had any problem in your calculus journey in your higher level education or in your let's say the formal education of calculus, so you can actually send your problems and I will be picking up your problems in next couple of lectures and I will be doing that. So the today's integral is actually basic, that is with respect to x over exponential plus 1. So today's integral is this. So how we can going to tackle it? So in order to tackle this integral, I'm just adding exponential up here and subtracting with the same exponential and plus 1, and this is dx over exponential x plus 1. So it looks familiar to us. So I is going to be integral exponential x plus 1 minus exponential dx and with some exponential x plus 1. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to separate the denominator term to each individual integral. So exponential x plus 1 by exponential x plus 1 dx minus integral exponential x dx by exponential x plus 1. So this is going to be our I is integral of dx minus integral of exponential x dx, and this is going to be e raised to x plus 1. So this would be easier for us, but this looks quite non-intuitive to us. So let us just substitute this with some result. Let us assume that exponential x plus 1 would be our new variable function, that is t, and if we differentiate it with respect to x, we get ex dx is dt. So in terms of exponential x plus 1 we can write t, and in terms of exponential x dx, the above here, we can write just dt. So our integral is basically integral of dx minus integral. In terms of these two terms we can write just dt over, and in terms of this term we have just t, right? And so I got x minus, so integral of dx over x is ln x plus with some constant c, right? So this is going to be ln t plus some constant c. So I is going to be my x minus ln, and in terms of t we have just this variable function e raised to x plus 1 plus c. So this would be my final result. So our integral dx over e raised to x plus 1 can be written as x minus ln e raised to x plus 1 with some constant c. So this would be our final form. So up to there, bye bye, and if you had any problem you can send me in the community tab or in the comment section. Up to there, bye bye.